Guys, we just had a huge crash for cryptos, including Doge. Why did this happen? I'm going to be answering your questions in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with that bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, cryptos crashed massively. There was a bit of a pullback, a bit of a corrections, but nonetheless we saw a huge drop. One of the main reasons is because the unemployment benefits for Americans expired. These folks are now going to have to start going back to work. They can't be at home playing with their free money and investing it. And guys, it's not just the crypto market, we saw the stock market crash as well. And guys, they're coupled up along with each other and oftentimes work along with each other, going up and going down together. But guys, these dips, these huge dips like we're seeing, are the best time to get in. That's the best opportunity. You always want to have some cash on the side to buy these dips when I call them out. Only putting about 10% of your investment in each time so that you dollar cost average and that you make money in the long run. The biggest whales out there, guys, you want to swim with them, and that's what I teach you guys to do. You want to buy at these dips just like they do. You don't want to get scared with paper hands like most new retailer investors do, because that's what they want you to do. They want you to get out, lose a lot of money so that they can rake in the profits. Get greedy when the prices go down. It's the best time to get in. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, September 7th marked the actual Bitcoin day. Yes, it is now a holiday because that's when El Salvador made it an official currency. Bitcoin as their official legal tender. Guys, this is huge. Millions and billions of dollars will pour into crypto because of this. And generally, we would have seen a huge pump because of this on the charts. However, because of all the FUD and fake news out there and unemployment running out, it was buried amongst all of that. Guys, one of the reasons for this huge crash is because of flash crashes. And flash crashes is where big whales liquidate very quickly within a short period of time. They get together and they say, we're going to sell. Nobody expects it except for the top whales out there, the ones with the most money in crypto. A lot of them are longing and shorting, and they decide when to get out so that they can all make the most money at the top, rather than the smaller retailer investor. However, like I said, you want to swim with the whales and you want to do what they're doing, and that's why I watch the charts throughout the day. So you want to keep an eye on my alerts when I put them out on my Patreon. Guys, there's a reason why we went from $50-something thousand on Bitcoin down to $46,000 in a very short period of time. Guys, it's because over $1 billion in Bitcoin was liquidated. Guys, this is another reason why accumulating at these dips is the best thing that you could possibly do, rather than longing and shorting. Because out of nowhere, we could have a crash and then you're out of luck. Guys, even though we dropped 20% on Ethereum in a very short period of time, that's okay. That's a very healthy correction because with every dip, we always have a peak. It makes a lot more people buy in. It's very healthy, and that's what allows us to continue on our uptrend. Even though you may see a huge dip on the charts, it will continue with this uptrend, and it will just look like a little dip when you zoom out just in a week or two. Guys, on Dogecoin, we went all the way down to 21 cents. So if you're buying the dip when I'm calling them out, you're already making a lot of money. If you bought Cardano at $1, Ethereum at 1,700. Bitcoin at 28,000. Guys, you've over doubled your money at many points, and if you hold out, you'll see your money over double here very soon. I'm expecting us to continue on our uptrend. I do not believe that we're going to have a long corrections cooldown period. However, I do think that we will hit $4,000 here very soon, just within the next week or two for Ethereum. And guys, as we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, we can see that we had this huge uptrend right here, and this is where we crashed. However, when we crashed, we had a double bottom. The double bottom right here, 1 and 2. And of course, after a double bottom, we generally have a huge breakout to the upside. And sure enough, we've got some green candlesticks headed straight up from here. So guys, Dogecoin is still looking incredibly bullish. You want to look out for my trade signals so that you know when to buy and sell. That's how you swim with the whales and do what they're doing. And that's how I've made so much money for so many years. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And if you haven't already subscribed with that bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.